Metamask Polygon tutorial, how to add Matic Network on your Metamask. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to add a Matic Network on your Metamask to buy and sell on Polygon. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you guys will open up your Metamask wallet and you'll get right here. The default network that we get on MetaMask is Ethereum, but we can also add different networks to our MetaMask, such as BNB and Polygon. So today I'll show you how to add a Matic network on your MetaMask. To add a new network, you have to click on this option right here. It will open up the networks that you have. Click on Add Network. It will take you to add a new network setting, and here we can add a custom network on our MetaMask. So we have to enter all these details, which are pretty easy, and I'll show you what to add. First of all, we have a network name. So the network name is going to be Matic. Then we have to enter a new RPC URL. So this is where you will copy and paste the URL. What I want you guys to do is simply go to your Google and search for Polygon Network or search for Polygon MetaMask. Click on the first link and you will get right here. Then you just have to scroll down to right here. You can see we have all of the different details here and we have our RPC URL link. This is the link that we need to copy. So we have it right here. Copy, paste. So our link has been added. The chain ID for Polygon Network is 137. Then we have a currency symbol, which is going to be Matic. And then we have Block Explorer URL. This is optional. You can leave this option for now. Feel free to pause the video and add all the details. Once you have added the details, click on Save. It will just take a second to add a new network. And there you go. You have Polygon Network on your MetaMask wallet. This is now a Matic network and I can buy, send and swap on Polygon using my MetaMask. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to Software Made Easy.